Hey everybody, this is Ashley from Crosstown. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited Sahara in billet metallic. This vehicle does seat up to 5 passengers, so it's great for the whole family. And under the hood we got a 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 with your 7-slot front grille, beautiful headlights. We got some tow hooks here in the front. Taking a look down here, we've got your 20-inch mud and snow tires, as well as your side view mirror does come with defrost. This vehicle also does have the trail rated badge, which is awesome to have. There are plenty of more options we can look at inside. Let's hop on in. Hopping on into this Jeep Wrangler, we got the key fob with remote start. Hit it once, it'll lock. Hit it again and hold it down. It should start up here. Just give it a second, it's a little bit cold. Come on. Look. Even the car doesn't want to start up because it's too cold. Anyways, you hold it down once, it'll honk. Hold it again and it'll start up. I'm going to go ahead and open up the vehicle. Over here, we've got your power locks as well as your leather seating running throughout. Let's hop on in here. I'm going to go ahead and put the key in the ignition. Just give me 1 second. It's stuck in my pocket. There we go. There is only 14,674 kilometers on this vehicle as well. Got your leather wrapped steering wheel. On the left, we've got your voice recognition. And on the right is your cruise control. Over here at your audio center, we've got AM, FM, and satellite radio, as well as your voice recognition here. We've got your media, CD player, menu audio, aux port for your aux cord. So turn it up here. Pretty good sound. In the middle here, we've got your power windows, your directional air vents on both sides, as well as down below we have your AC climate control, as you can see there. Over here we've got your heated driver and passenger seats, your traction control, hazard, your power outlet button, a 12V DC outlet, a little pocket down here, your gear shifters, 2 great cup holders. We have a locking middle console, a little bit of storage here, some internal storage here with a USB port and a 12V DC outlet as well, and some goodies, as you can see. There's plenty of more options we can look at in the back. Let's hop on back. Taking a look at the back here, we also have a little pocket here, this cute little accent feature, as well as lots of foot and headroom. As you can see, we've got Alpine stereo system and speakers running throughout the vehicle. Matte pockets behind the driver and passenger seat, 2 great cup holders, as well as your power window buttons for the back. Let's take a look in the trunk. Coming along this side, there is a hook at the bottom as well, and a spot for your hitch. I'm going to open it up here. Plenty of storage in the back, as you can see. We've got this subwoofer here, all weather, nice mats back here as well. Let's close it up. We've also got this full-size spare tire, as you can see. Coming along to this side here, the door panel is the same. Also comes with a great little pocket there. Lots of foot and headroom here, as well as these back seats do come down for some extra storage. Sorry guys, it's a little hard with one hand. There we go. As you can see, great for camping, groceries, everything. Taking a look at this side, door panel, the same, as well as we got your front console here, giving you extra storage. We've also got a handle here to go 4x4ing, off-roading, whatever you need. Great to have. And that's it. I'd like to thank you all for taking a look at this 2018 Jeep Wrangler. If you'd like to take it for a test drive, we're on the corner of 156 and Yellowhead Trail. It's Ashley. I'm out.